Great, welcome back. In this particular video, we're going to talk about the importance of empowering language in a business pitch. One of the biggest mistakes that I see are individuals pitching and they're always talking about me, I, or they're saying you. Okay? And let's talk about why that's a bad thing. And I talked about this in the previous video on common mistakes in pitching, as well as inviting your audience. You've got to remember, you're pitching to somebody, okay? You're trying to get them to join with you, okay? If you say the whole time, I did this, I'm so great, me, I need, this can be a real turnoff. First of all, if you're talking about why you're so great, okay, maybe you are so great, but then why are you doing a business pitch competition? Where does the audience fit into your vision of the future? Where do they fit into your venture, right? And if you keep saying, I need, it almost makes you look like a beggar, right? Hey, I need money. Okay? I need money so I can do this. Because I'm just going to give you money, and then where do I as a judge fit in? Where do I as a funder fit in? It's unclear, right? So instead of going on and on and on about how you need something, don't do that. Another mistake, saying you need to give me money. You need this. You need that. Again, well, why do I need to give you anything? Why do I need this, right? So it can really put people off. So what you need to do is speak in terms of we and us. Okay, think of it like this. You can start off and say, hey, and this is when we talk about role, establishing the character. Hey, I've been doing this for a long time. I've had some ups and downs, but this is where I'm going tomorrow, and this is what we're going to do together. We're going to do it. I'm going to do some things, you're going to do some things, but together it's a joint vision, right? Tomorrow we're going to achieve this. With your help, we can do this. If only I had just a little bit of assistance from you, then we could take it to the next level. And so that shows kind of a blend of vision, right? And that also gives the judges a little sense of accountability, right? So if they may fund you, but then there's also some responsibility incorporated with that. I mentioned the poke restaurant example earlier in this video. And so when we worked with him to give his pitch, he emphasized that there were certain problems that together they could solve. His problems were a lack of funding for that new location, and a lack of access to a supply chain, and a lack of access to effective marketing. Those are things he said. He said, okay, I've been doing this a long time. It's been really going well, but I'm struggling a little bit. I don't have the money to open that second location. My supply chain is a little weak, and quite frankly, I'm a cook. I don't know a whole lot about marketing. But if you could help me just a little bit with these things, then what we can do is we can have that second location. We can together have more profitable restaurants. We can have more profitable locations because we've lowered our costs through supply chain. And with my knowledge of cooking, poke, and with your knowledge of marketing and supply chain, we can really do some great things together. And then they see where they fit in. They contribute something, you contribute something. Together, it's something way stronger. 1 + 1 = 3. So you really want to make sure that you use appropriate and empowering body language, or pardon me, appropriate and empowering language or appropriate and empowering rhetoric. Great. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and post any comments down below, and I'll respond to them in a couple of days. Thank you. See you in the next video. By the way, in our next video, we're going to talk about the use of body language. So I hope you enjoy that. We'll see you then.